So in this video, I'm going to show you how to unload a 300-pound plotter from the back of a pickup truck by yourself. All right, folks, we just got a load in from a government auction. You find these auctions at various places. This one, I think, this one came from like a independent school district right here. Spent like $30 on the back of the truck. Already backed it in here. HP Plotter. Spin it around. LED light. Kind of like such. As to where it doesn't fall on me. But it holds it for just long enough. So the purpose of suspending that rock there on this pipe is so we can put it over this pipe and get the rope over it to act as a pulley system to get that plotter off of there.
Alright, go. Let's go.
Don't try this at home.
Woo.
And that's how you get a plotter off of a truck.